ever since I saw The Spy Who Loved Me, where secret agent James Bond drives the first version of the 1977 Lotus Esprit into the sea and turned it into a submarine, I've been a fan. From 1980 on, the Lotus Esprit Turbo came with 210 horsepower, which resulted in a top speed of 241 kilometers per hour. So finally, we were talking about a sports car in every sense of the word: low, wide, and fast. Things really changed in 1996 when Lotus released the Esprit V8 model. With 2 Garrett T25/60 turbochargers, power output grew to 350 horsepower and showed acceleration figures from 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in 4.4 seconds, while the top speed of 282 kilometers per hour could be reached. In 2002, a final restyling effort was made by installing round taillights. The Lotus Esprit would be in production for a total of 28 years. The final Lotus Esprit ever built was completed on February 20th, 2004. After 10,675 units, the last one was delivered to the customer in Chicago, the USA. But some are more valuable than others, especially one of only 100 units built in. 2002 as a 25th anniversary edition, with each of the cars numbered. How would you feel about owning number 1/100?